This is not a drill. The Kajabi 60-day free trial is back right now. Why it's back is actually almost more exciting than the fact it is back. See, if you haven't been following my updates on this channel, the Kajabi Communities 2.0 is launching in January 2023, basically next month. To coincide with the launch of this brand new community platform with all of its crazy features, Kajabi is hosting a 30-day challenge for an exclusive community. Now, I will put the link for the details and how you can sign up for it below this video, but you will see that it is called the Creator Challenge, and you will be given 30 days to launch your business using Kajabi with the guidance of creators and entrepreneurs who are using Kajabi to make today's creator economy work for them. So that sounds amazing. What does it include? It includes weekly virtual training sessions. Basically, you will have expert coaches who will hop on live group coaching calls with you, showing you step by step how to achieve success with Kajabi in less than 30 days. But that's not all. You also get access to the exclusive community challenge. This is basically Kajabi's way of introducing everybody to the Kajabi Communities 2.0 feature. You will get weekly prompts to help keep you accountable, and there's going to be cool rewards for completion of challenges and milestones along the way. So basically, the Kajabi 60-day free trial is just icing on the cake for what is coming in January. So instead of just giving a 30-day free trial in January, you have access to 30 days now and an additional 30 days in January. That's more than 4 times the usual 14-day trial that Kajabi offers. Now, if we scroll down the page, you can see more about the actual experts who will be hosting this challenge, and you can read their stories and how they're finding success with Kajabi. If you don't already have a Kajabi account and you have been excited about the new Communities 2.0 platform, now is your chance to hop into Kajabi. The 60-day access is actually, as you saw on the page, counting down. So once it counts down, it's going to switch over to a 30-day trial to get ready for the launch in January. And then after that, it'll go back to 14 days. So right now, if you are looking to get access to Kajabi and you want 60 days, so you'll have 30 days to go through Kajabi University, access the free courses and materials there. You'll get access to the live daily Q&A webinars, and you will get access to your live success calls with the Kajabi team in December, so that by the time January rolls around, you are hitting the ground running to launch your community platform for whatever you need. Weekly group coaching, maybe you want to have a community, you name it. It is exciting times. You have the ability to end 2022 strong and then kickstart 2023 on a whole new level with a brand new feature of Kajabi. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Details are below this video, and stay tuned for more updates as they progress. For additional Kajabi strategies, tips, and tools, make sure to watch this video next.